These are acting very strange. Lift 2 seems like it's broken. This one, I pressed the button. Lift 1's lantern came on. The button went out. Then it just went off again and the button had to press the button again. No clue what's going on. Maybe they're all broken. Wouldn't surprise me. I don't know. Here we go apparently. I was gonna do the same thing again, where it just doesn't open. Looks like it. Something's messed up with these things. I mean, yeah, they're EPLs, but they definitely need replaced. Well, at least a controller replacement. What is going on? It's lit up again. Is this door operator broken or something? Okay. Look, this goes off. No, press the button. It chimes. Nothing happens. And it goes off after a while. These things are so stuffed, man. Lift 2's broken as well. They're all broken, I guess. Okay. Lift 3. Lift 1 actually is very stuffed up and is doing weird things. I'm risking getting stuck in this for a video, so I guess we'll have a look. There we go now. Yeah, it stops in a random spot. Let's see what it's doing. Oh. Oh shit. Let's open that queue. Safety brake, I'm waiting for it to safety brake, seriously, this thing is... I'm getting out E if it opens up. Eventually. It was doing that between like the car parks and E before, but it didn't go up the queue before. At least it doesn't seem to be safety braking.
You still here?
Go through this entrance.
This nice.
Yeah, good. Might take a while. It's doing some weird things today.
Chỉ có một tầng thôi hả?
Actually not messing up anymore. It's behaving now. These poor things, I feel so bad for them. Even though the machines, but they're just tired. Alright, I'm gonna get out here and walk up the stairs. I'm not getting in that thing again. Stop that.